Are you in the market for good, inexpensive FPV goggles? Today we do a quick comparison of two of the best. These are the specifications for both the Eachine EV800D box goggles and the Amway Commander V1 compact form goggles. I compared these back in August of 2018 as part of our Best Beginner FPV Drone Kit video, which if you haven't seen I'll put a link to down below, and a pop-up should appear in the upper right of this screen as well. The main differences are obviously the form factor and the price of each. The Commander V1s have a better resolution, and the EV800Ds have a removable display, which I'll get into in a minute. The Commander V1s are extremely lightweight as compared with the EV800Ds. However, remember these advertised weights are both without antenna, and for the Commanders, it's also without the battery. Of note, at Grayson Hobby, you can get 5% off, which brings the price down to $283 if you sign up to their email list. Speaking of which, if you'd like to get weekly TMac FPV emails with the latest news, happenings, and special activities, go ahead and sign up through the link below. And if you find this video useful, make sure to subscribe and ring that little bell below to get notified of our latest video releases. Here's the actual weight of both the Eachine EV800Ds and the Commander V1s with the antenna installed and an external 2S lithium-ion battery connected to the Commanders. Remember, the EV800Ds have an internal battery. The EV800Ds come in weighing at 63 grams more than the Commanders. So what does that extra 63 grams feel like? Well, it's less than an apple, less than a lemon, less than an egg, and slightly more than a 3S 550 milliamp hour LiPo. Here's a form factor comparison of both the Eachine EV800Ds and the Amway Commander V1s. I still haven't quite decided which is my better side. Oh heck, they're both good. One of the things I really like about the EV800Ds, as we just mentioned, is its removable display. It's pretty simple to get apart. Simple as that. And if you've got a tripod, just secure it on top of the tripod, and then while you're flying FPV, any spectators that come along, you can just direct them to the EV800D, and they can view, along with you, the flight experience. I also find it extremely useful on the workbench when you're working on your quads, VTX, and camera. Instead of having to put on goggles, you can just glance over at this. Alright, let's go compare the two goggles DVRs in a side-by-side flight comparison.
Times and I can't get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
So what do you think? Put your thoughts down in the comments section below. Remember to subscribe and hit that bell for more stuff. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Clear skies, my friends.